Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To do that, we're gonna have to short press the power button on the right edge of the device, and after short pressing it, we're gonna have to hold down the FN key and repeatedly press the F12 button until the boot menu appears on the screen. Okay, and here we'll be able to select the startup menu, so you can navigate using up and down arrow keys. This way, navigate to boot menu, press enter, and then select the boot device. Now, if you want to exit, just press escape. If you want to enter, press enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.